What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I've got another swatch review for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and let's get started. So today I am partnering up with Mini Macaron to show you guys their brand new gel gift set, which is called Butterfly Dreams. If you guys haven't heard of Mini Macaron, I've actually done a few reviews for them before, and I've also showed you like how to use their one-step gel system. So I will link those up in the cards for you so you can check them out. But basically they are a one-step gel nail polish brand. So you don't need any base coat, you don't need any top coat, and when you buy their kits, you get everything that you need to do a full manicure with them, and also a pedicure. They are 9-free, meaning they are free of 9 of the dangerous chemicals that are often found in nail polish. They are vegan and they are cruelty-free. They are most known for their little macaron shaped LED gel lamps, which you just stick one finger in and you can use it like this, and it has a little USB plug so you can connect it to your computer, or you can also flip it around and do a pedicure with it. That's just super convenient. I just keep this one on my desk, but their gift sets are super cool because they come with these giant bigger lamps which you can fit your whole hand in. So let me open this up for you guys and I'll show you what is in it. So when you open up the kit, you can see you get 4 mini gel nail polishes, and like I said, they're all the one step, so you don't need base coat or top coat with these. So 3 of them are creams, and then we have 1 holographic glitter topper, and then we also have the Maxi Macaron lamp, which fits your whole hand in it, which is very convenient. And like I said, it also has the USB port so you can connect that to your computer, which I feel like makes it just super easy for on-the-go kind of manicures. The kit also has 20 remover wipes, so that's good for either 2 manicures or a manicure and a pedicure. And like I said, I do have a video on how to remove Mini Macaron gels, so I will link that up in the cards for you guys. It also comes with a USB cord for the lamp, a butterfly nail file, which is super cute, a little cuticle stick, which I think are super helpful, especially when you're applying gels. You can kind of clean up your cuticle area, and also a really beautiful crushed velvet travel pouch, which, oh my gosh, I still love the red velvet pouch that I had in last year's gift set, but now I'm excited because this one's pink and it's super cute. But yeah, so let me show you guys the swatches of the 4 gel polishes that are in here, and then I will talk to you a little bit more about pricing, availability, all that good stuff. So just to remind you guys, these are gel polishes, meaning they do need to cure by lamp. They do not air dry. So in between each layer, I am curing them under the lamp. So yeah, now that we've got all that info, let's just get started with the swatches. Roll footage. So first up in this collection, we have the shade Lily Rose, and this one is described as an icy cool pink cream. So it is definitely that very soft light pink shade, almost a white, but you can definitely tell that it is pink once you have it on the nails. And as you can see, these are a little bit shorter of a bottle cap. I didn't realize when I was filming them that my thumb was kind of in the way during the swatches, but hopefully you guys can still tell what's going on. Also, because these are gels, they don't dry by air, so I'm really taking my time with application and kind of moving the polish around exactly where I want it to be. That is my favorite part about using gel polishes, because you really don't have to worry about like working fast and getting a little sloppy. I just like to really work slowly, take my time, do as many brush strokes as I need, and then once I am satisfied, I will cure it. But anyway, this color is super gorgeous. It's a classic shade. I love that it's super light but also a little cooler toned, and it just feels like an any time of year color. I ended up putting on 3 coats for full coverage. It was almost opaque in 2 for my short nails, but I just wanted to have that 3rd coat just to make sure that I was getting like the full opacity of that soft creamy color. So here it is in its 3 coats, super gorgeous. Like I said, just a classic. Next up, we have the shade Peony Desire, and this one is described as a dark berry red cream. So yeah, this is just to me like a beautiful dark kind of color. This is the color that I always want my hair to be, like a pinky reddish type of shade. So this one seemed like it was going to be a little bit sheer on the 1st coat, but I did end up getting full opacity in 2, and it's just another super easy to work with formula. I was kind of taking my time and just working with the polish to make sure that it applied perfectly on my nails. I've mentioned it before in a recent gel review, but I do love when gel polishes kind of have the feel of nail polishes when you're applying them, so like not too thick and not too difficult to kind of push around on your nails. And I think Mini Macaron is another great example of a brand that has that type of feel. So yeah, very much enjoyed the process. This is 2 coats for full coverage, and it's such a gorgeous color. Next up we have the shade Licorice Dream, and this is the last of the cream shades in this set of 4, and this is a solid black cream. So this one, on the first coat, I really thought that this was going to take multiple coats for coverage, but it did end up being a perfect 2-coater on me, and it's such a smooth glossy black, really easy to work with, and I always think it's super important to have a good black gel in your collection, so I was really excited to see that in this set. Like the other shades, it was very beginner friendly to use, very smooth formula and very easy to kind of move around, and like I said, I've just been taking my time with all these swatches because I want to make sure that they look nice and perfect, and this formula made that very easy for me. So here it is in 2 perfect coats, and I thought it looked amazing on the nails. And last but definitely not least, we have the shade Glitter Utopia, which is a holographic glitter topper, and I don't know if you can tell, but even the bottle is lightly holographic, which is super cool. So here I am applying it over Licorice Dream, and as you can see, it is just a really nice, soft, subtle topper, but it's super easy to apply. All of the glitters are small enough that you don't really have to work around or like move them too much. You can just apply it like normal, and then you get a perfect, even coat of glitter across your nails. So as you can see, the base of these glitters leans silver, and then there is a holographic sparkle in some lighting. So it's kind of hard to tell because it is a little bit more on the subtle side, but as my nail goes out of focus, you can kind of see all of those little colors shimmering through there. It's just a really beautiful, soft shade. This is my first time using a topper from Mini Macaron, and I thought it was very easy to work with. I also wanted to show it to you guys over the other shades in this set because I thought it matched all of them actually pretty perfectly. So here it is over Peony Desire, and as you can see, it actually has a pretty different effect over this shade, and it also has a really different effect over Lily Rose as well. So as you get into lighter shades using this as a topper, you're going to see a little bit less of that hollow sparkle, but it does still come through as a beautiful silver flaky top coat. So I actually think that I like the combo the most with Lily Rose and Glitter Utopia. I just feel like that's such a soft, beautiful combo, and then I think once you hit that sunlight, you're gonna get like a little subtle holographic sparkle coming through, and it's just really pretty. I feel like this is so like wedding slash special occasion appropriate, so I really love that. So here's a little shot of all of the colors in this 4 polish set side by side, so you can kind of see what we're working with. It's basically just a nice curated collection of beautiful basics. That's the thing I love about this set. Even though it is coming out for the holidays and it is like a holiday gift, these are polishes that you can and should wear any time of year because they're all, like I said, classic basic shades that you can really pair with anything. So yeah, those are the gels that come in the kit, and like I said, this is just one of those really great brands. One, they're very beginner friendly because you don't need to do multiple steps. It's just a 1-step gel, so you just put on the color and then you're done. 2, it's very travel friendly, and for that exact same reason, like you don't need to bring your base coat or your top coat with you, and they have these little travel sized lamps, or even this big one is really not that big, so that's super convenient. And then it's also just very giftable. Like I love their packaging design, I love their whole aesthetic and style, and I feel like everything about it is just so like cute and Instagrammable, so I really do love that. So this kit is available on the Mini Macaron website, which I will link down below. The entire kit with everything in it retails for $65 USD, and I also have a discount code. You can use the code KELLIBUTTERFLY10. I'm gonna write it on the screen, and I'll also write it in the description. That code is valid until December 31st, and you can get 10% off your order with Mini Macaron. But yeah, that is it for this review. I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think of this kit? Have you tried Mini Macaron before, and what are your thoughts on them? Leave it in the comments. You know I love to chat with you guys. If you enjoy my swatch and review videos, please give this one a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Additional fun fact while my fun facts page is loading, because for some reason this is taking forever, but fun fact, I only painted 9 of my nails today because this one I cut while I was peeling a potato, and I just didn't want to put nail polish anywhere near it because it hurts. Alright, today's fun fact question comes from Patreon supporter Nails with Amanda. And Amanda wants to know, if you had to give/receive only one gift this holiday season, what would it be? And she actually clarified in here, hers is candles because it's her favorite thing to give. gift. And I gotta say, that's the first thing that popped into my mind too. I just feel like that's my favorite holiday gift to get, and I also love giving candles to people because I feel like it's such a fun thing to like try to figure out which scent somebody would like the best. I think my two absolute favorite gifts to give and receive for the holidays, or really for any occasion, would be candles or books. Like those are the two things that I feel like are so fun to personalize for people. Like if somebody got me a book, to me that just means like you either thought of me while you were reading the book, or something about it made you think of me and like made you think that I would love it. And I feel like that just feels, even though obviously like it's not specifically personal, it feels personal for that reason. And I think the same thing about candles. Like if you give me a candle, I feel like that means that you thought that I would like this smell, and I feel like there's like a level of thoughtfulness to it that's so sweet. So yeah, I'm just gonna steal your answer, Amanda. I think candles are good. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!